Hello everyone, it's Tanya at Bentley's in Bankery here. So today, summer's upon us, we want some bursts of colour. So my colleague's going to show you just along the rail here all the fantastic colours that we're going to show you today. A pop of colour into your life and a little bit of sunshine in your life. So just before we start, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody that's been making comments about our videos, that's coming in because of the videos, that are enjoying the videos, whether you're here in Scotland or those that are a bit further away that I'm aware of that have been watching the videos as well. It's lovely to know that you're all watching. Pass it on to everybody, let them know what we've got here and how we can offer to help them. So we're going to get kick-started here. You can see I'm all ready for the summer. I've got some bright colours on today, so I'm going to start with these ones today and show you. This is a fantastic label by Ano. You can see the trousers that I have here. They have got a lovely deep waistband. It's elasticated here. It's got a nice stretch, really comfortable to wear. I'm just about getting away with them, being 5 foot. And I've teamed them up with the little top that I have here, which you'll see in a moment. But for starters, I'll pop this one on the grid. And you can see that I have got a lovely matching jacket. You can wear buttoned up or you can wear it open and pop a little wee top underneath. That's a nice green one from Frank Lyman that you've seen before in the chiffon, and it comes in lots of different colours. So we'll pop that one up first so you can see that one together. And remember, the body in it, you won't see the dip at the back there. So that's the first one that we start with. And then, as I said, if you wanted to, you can change it out and wear the one I've got on here and pop that one underneath instead if you wish. If you prefer, we've also got the little, top, round neck, 3/4 sleeves, lovely and easy to wear. It's got some nice pockets here. Team it up with lots of the rebels, which I'm going to show you as we go. So we can team them up with the yellow. We can team them up with orange. We can team them up with green. Your colour choice is endless there. So we'll pop this one up. And I'll just show you with our happy jackets. So we'll just change this one out. For those that are very brave, you can wear the whole thing together. But we'll pop a pair of trousers underneath. We'll go with the lemon ones that we have here. You can see at the side we've got some orange shoes and bag. You can choose to wear flats or colours, different colours if you wish. Our happy jackets that you've seen before as well. Bright pop of yellow there. Some people might find it too much, but if you're brave enough and you like me, I love colour and it's a sunshine colour. So, and happy jackets, happy people. The stretch on them, button through, pocket detail there. So you could pop that one over the top if you wanted to, or you could change it through and you could wear it with the green. So we have the green happy jacket. I think my colleague can see that there. Okay, and then you can match it up with orange happy jacket. You see all the colours coming out in these tops. Absolutely fantastic, ladies. You can wear them together. So I'm going to take this one away and we're going to add one of our other tops by the same company. Look at the colours, aren't they fantastic? It's got a cuff detail on the side there, 3/4 sleeve. They're so easy to wear. I think there's pockets in here. Yes, there's pockets in here as well, but look at all those colours. So you can choose all the rebel trousers to go with it. If you just want to go black, just go black. If you want to go yellow, white, your choice. So you can match that up. Now you can see it with the yellow trousers, but again, when you bring it back, it'll team up again with the oranges, team up with the greens. You can see that there's a theme going here, but it will mix and match with all your other pieces. And if you prefer, ladies, this one has a round neck, but we also have it in the V-neck. Okay, so easy to wear. No worries about overeating when you're away on holiday or anything like that, or just generally through the summer when we enjoy our barbecues, and you can try those as well. So then we're taking out another one here. Now this is fantastic. This is one of my favourites. It's got the pocket detail in here, and if we come a little bit closer, you can see these are lots and lots of little doors in lots of different colours. It's absolutely fantastic. And again, it will team up with all your colours in your bells. If I show you again, orange will stand out, the yellow will stand out, the green, blues, blacks, whites, your choice, whichever one you want to go. And we'll just move on. This one's got a slight stretch fabric. The other ones are more of cotton mix. Now we have this one here as well. Great fun, nice bright colours again. You can see the oranges, the yellows, the greens, the pinks. And we'll pop it up here. I'll maybe just change out the yellow ones. And we'll pop it in the orange, if we can find them. There we go. How much fun is this wardrobe, and how good are you going to feel wearing all these lovely bright colours? throughout the summertime that we are going to get. There we are, we have it there. Okay, and then we can change it out again, and we have another lovely little top, a little bit more subtle in the colours again, but you've got the oranges and the pinks. So we'll pop it together that you can see. Again, when you've got the heels on, it's a little bit dressier. So if you're a lady that doesn't like a lot of dresses, doesn't like too dressed up, these are great. Add a little fascinator, great summer garden, wedding, barbecue, whatever you want. Again, they also do a trouser. It's flat front, elasticated at the back. Nice little culottes that we have there. So if you wish, oops, there we have it there. And lastly but not least, if you prefer, ladies, you can pick out one of the dresses instead. So just a little bit of pop of colour, little pop of sunshine. I hope you really like these. Come in and see us. You'll see them all online. Go if you follow us online, you can phone us on 01330 825 655, or come in and see us and let us enjoy helping you find your outfits for the summertime. Speak to you again soon. There's more to follow. Thank you very much.